Lake Louise is our destination for this day. We woke up early so we can get a parking spot closer to the lake so we don't have to take a shuttle from somewhere else. Even though it was pretty early, I was still nervous about the parking situation. We are so glad that we got a spot. Make sure to pay for your parking fee before going anywhere, as we've seen some cars with warning signs on their windows due to not paying. As soon as I saw the lake, I was already in awe of how beautiful it was. There were already a lot of people in the area.
I am not the victim of this love affair. You can make me go away. I don't really care if it's getting fair. I just wanna love you, babe.
I thought the best way to experience the lake is by canoeing. The boathouse opens between 8:30 to 9 a.m. First come, first serve, but they prioritize their hotel guests.
Got me around your finger. Got me in a twisted state. But I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me upside down. Turn my heart inside.
The further we canoe, the color of the lake gets unbelievably blue. After canoeing, we took a short break in the car and ate snacks since the closest restaurant by foot is for hotel guests only, and we paid 36 Canadian dollars for the parking, so we didn't want to drive away and lose our spot. While on break, we found out that there's a Teahouse at the Lake Agnes. It was about 5 miles total of out and back, and the trail starts at the Lake Louise.
Sleep is for the dead and love is for the wicked. Baby, till I repeat and fade. Yeah, you can turn me upside down. Do it again, just do it again.
Have a lunch.
You were what I need, don't you understand? We were made to fall in love. Give me what I ask, let me hold your hand. Baby, you just have to know.
There's snow around, but it's getting hot.
Got me in a twisted state of love, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me,
We stopped by the Mirror Lake before continuing.
turn my heart inside out, but I've never given up. Do it again, just do it again. Sleep is for the dead and love is for the wicked.
The trail is steep and it gets colder the higher you get, as there are still snow lingering around.
Do it again, just do it again. Yeah, give it to me, give it to me. Just do it again.
We're hiking up this high elevation beside Lake Louise just for the tea.
Yeah, you can turn me upside down.
Oh gosh, the lake is so frozen. I was really surprised when I saw the lake by the Teahouse. It's still frozen. The line at the Teahouse is so long, so I'll probably just enjoy here for a moment. It's freezing here and cold. There were a lot of people lining at the Teahouse, so after exploring around the Lake Agnes, we get in line too. I got the hot chocolate that got cold fast because we were eating outside the Teahouse. The blueberry crisp was amazing.
Freezing cold Ooh, we're so cold here.
It was warm a few seconds ago. It's now cold. As soon as our tummies were filled, we headed back down to Lake Louise. We're finally back down to at Lake Louise and about to go get lunch.